Class 8, good morning. As you are here that some figures are written. These are the years for parliamentary method in India. In 1885, Indian National Congress demand for representation. In 1885, with the construction of Indian National Congress by A.O. Hume, retired IS officer Badruddin Ji Tayyab, Dadabhai Naroji, Motilal Nehru, and several other prominent leaders, they demanded the representation in government. Okay. Then in Marley Minto reform that was introduced in 1909, Marley Minto reform. In the Marley Minto reform, they somehow give some rights to the Indians, elected body to the Indians. This procedure was continued in 1919. During this time, in 1928, Motilal Nehru presented the report that is known as Nehru Report. And you know that at that time, Indian freedom struggle was going on. So in 1930, we celebrated the Purna Swaraj Day. In 1935, Government of India Act. In 1935, Government of India Act was introduced. In 1949, we draft our own constitution, and according to that, we followed two house formation. Two house, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Till 1992-93, we followed this, and then we introduced one more tier, that is third tier of the government, central level, state level, and local level. Local level government was introduced by Panchayat Raj Adhiniyam 1992-93. With the 73rd amendment, it was introduced. So, Parliament we required for what? That this demand was raised from here and reached at here. Okay, students. So this was the background for the Parliament, that when it was started, what were the acts, events. Go through with all these things, and I'm sharing one PPT with you all. In 1885, the Indian National Congress demand elected members. The Government of India Act 1909, popularly known as Marley Minto Reform, for some elected representative. Constitution of Independent India, as we discussed that in 1919 it was same. In 1935, representation was increased. After that, in 1946 to 1949, we prepared Constitution. After the Constitution of Independent India, that laid down the principle of universal adult franchisee. As you know that universal adult franchisee, all about the 18 years, it was 21 years, then 18 years and above allowed to vote without any difference on the basis of caste, color, race, sex, nothing. You all are allowed, and their vote is co-equal to the vote of the president of any other person. The parliament, which is made up to all representatives, together control and guide the government. People through their chosen representatives from the government and govern and control it. Now, peoples means we all are elected the representatives. Representative elections for MLA and MP, and these elected representative, chosen representative from us participate in parliament and govern us. Now the role of the government to select national government, first work is that after the election select the national government. Second, to control, guide and inform the government, that ruling party control and guide and inform the other peoples, and that thing is lawmaking. As we discussed this one, that we are going to conduct the mock parliament, so in detail we will discuss in mock parliament. Okay student, so this is for today. Thank you.